Welcome to Netiquette Next. Hello viewers, welcome back to the Canva series. In the previous video, I have shared the history of Canva and its brief introduction with you guys. And now I want to demonstrate to get access to the Canva, and I will slightly introduce its interface. Here I'm gonna search canva.com. I'm searching it. I already have searched it, so it appeared here. I'm gonna click it. It's gonna look like this. I'm gonna sign it up with my Google account. I'm gonna continue it with my username. Here I got access to the Canva free. This one is the top bar, in which here is my account, my information. From this point on, I can create a design. This is bell icon, notification. These are the setting like any other social media platform. Remember that this is online designing tool, web, whatever you can call it. From this point on, we can download the app for Android and for desktop. Here is the option. Download Canva for Windows and for Androids also. This is the top bar. From hide main menu, we can hide the left sidebar. This is the design spotlight, from which we can design a lot of visuals. Visual suite, documents, presentation, whiteboard, PDF editor, graphs and charts, video editor, YouTube video editor, photo editor, photo collage, business card, cards, invitations, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, labels, logos, posters, and so much many more, and QR code also. In the business, we can create a lot of much more amazing things for little and big level businesses. Content creation, visual communication, creative agencies, sales, features, contact sales, real estate, branded team templates, each and everything. In education sector, teachers and schools create and collaborate visually in classroom. They can create visuals for the classrooms for students. Students can create documents. These are all the resources in higher educations. We have a lot of features in this form which is free, but in Canva had developed to Canva Pro, which is more suitable and beneficiary and have lot of much more features. Here is the plans and pricing for Canva Pro. Canva Pro is available to an individual for month and for year. There are lot of variety of plans, and we can also buy Canva in teams, which from that point we can divide our expenses between the team members. This is the sidebar. Home, this is the home option. We can create any projects from here, templates from here. Brand hub, it is the feature of Canva Pro. We can use a lot of apps from here. We can create our team from here. We can delete our unrequired data or design, so it's gonna go here. These are for us. We can create documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media post, videos, website, and much more, and so on. That's for now. In the next video, I will be sharing more amazing Canva features with you soon, and please look forward to our new videos, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and be blessed.